We'll guide you through how to add new group in Notion. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening your browser, then move your cursor to the search bar and left-click it to select the field. Type Notion into the search bar and press Enter so the page loads. When the results appear, go to the first website shown and open it. Log in or sign into your account so you can reach your workspace. Once you are inside the site, look at the left side of the screen and find the private section. There will be a plus button beside it on the right. Press that plus button to create a new page in your workspace. After the page loads, click the title area at the top and type the name you want for your new page. When the title is set, go to the main section of the page. Inside that space, type /database so the list of database options appears. Choose the database full page option and left-click it to create a database inside your page. The database will load with a default column named Name. Click that column title and rename it to anything you prefer. After that, look for the Add Property button and click it. From the list that appears, choose the status property so your database can sort items by different states. Then press Add Property again to create another field, name it Desk, and choose Text as the property type so you can write notes or descriptions. Now begin adding data to your database by filling in the name, status, and desk fields for each entry you want to include. After adding your data, go to the database options found at the top of the database view. Inside the menu, look for the group option and select it. A panel will appear letting you choose how items should be grouped. Set the grouping to the status property so the data is sorted into sections based on the status values you added earlier. When the grouping is done, go back to the same menu and find the layout option. Open it and choose the board layout. This will turn your database into a board-style view with columns based on each status group. Now your groups will appear as clear sections that let you organize and move items in a simple drag and drop format.